Eye unboxing. Open the package to find the test report. This laser operates at a frequency of 10 Hz with energy greater than 300 millijoules, pulse width less than 5 nanoseconds, and current 12A. The laser. Wear finger cots and an anti-static wrist strap. Remove the shorting block. Mount the laser securely on a well-ventilated heatsink. Connect the power supply, ensuring correct polarity. Set the signal generator as follows. Frequency 10 Hz. Amplitude 5 volts. Offset 2.5 volts. Pulse width 1.3 milliseconds. Turn on the power supply and connect to the host computer, ensuring the current is 12A. Turn the key switch to start normal laser operation. Align the laser with the center of the energy meter, open the energy meter software, and test the energy stability for 1 minute. Focus on parameters such as maximum energy, minimum energy, and average energy. Align the laser with the camera and use the software to observe the beam spot information. The roundness is greater than 80%. Reflect the laser onto the pulse width probe and observe the pulse width with the oscilloscope. The measured value is approximately 4.6 nanoseconds. Thank you for choosing Reallight's laser products.